first, they made me a skipper on the Jungle Cruise, or what they like to call a Jungle Cruise skipper. Then they gave me access to my own choo-choo locomotive train. Then they allowed me to point at and make fun of very overweight hippopotami on the Kilimanjaro safaris as opposed to the other Disney safaris. And last but not least, they gave me access to a mansion with dead people. But today I'm about to live out my dream as a storyteller.
Storyteller, whoa. No, Josh, you're actually going to be a barker out at the entrance of the attraction. Right this way.
What? But I want to tell stories. I don't want to, who barks anymore?
I need you just to stay out here, okay?
Just stay here.
Just stay here.
All right, I'll just be here barking if you need me. Come and do the boat. Come see many houses. You two, welcome to Disneyland. I know there's a very large mountain there, but over here there's flowers. Where? Hi, welcome to Disneyland. Would you like to go on a boat? No? Come, take a little boat ride. It's lovely. There's nothing scary except a very scary whale. They won't let me on it. They'll only let me out here scream at people to go on it.
What, they won't let you drive the boat?
No. Who thinks I should be allowed to drive this boat? We have a quorum. Welcome. Do you guys want to go on this boat ride?
I do.
You can see flowers and you can see little tiny homes.
Uh-huh.
And there's ducks everywhere.
I love ducks.
So we're gonna walk over, and if the guy asks, is that Josh? You just like, no, he's our brother.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Oh, hey guys, we're just a bunch of passengers coming on this boat. I'm just going with my sisters. Yes, I'm on.
And away we go.
Just gonna,
Oh, I don't think so. Nope, this is my boat. Nope, this is my
Hey, raise
boat.
your hand if you guys want to see me talk. Yeah, okay.
All right then, I guess.
So right now we are giving an endoscopy to a whale. Now this is, I believe, available property, good retail value, great school district. This to your right is one of my favorite areas. It's called trees. Tiny, tiny trees without a lot of nutrition. Wave to the train. You may have the higher ground, but we're having more fun. This is the beautiful town from Beauty and the Beast. If you look closely, you can see Belle. Now that's right next to us is what they call a train. And these things in these little jail cells are called people. Everyone say hi, people imprisoned on a train. Hi, come join us on Thunder Mountain. So we're about to go through, is that just a cave?
The Cave of Wonders.
Oh, it's not just any cave.
No.
This is the Cave of Wonders. There's the lamp. That's worth a lot of money, but there are cameras everywhere. Up there, is that where Rapunzel lives?
No, that's Cinderella.
Does she realize that it's going to be very hard to get down from there?
Well, she's got a coach about halfway up. Do you see the pumpkin there?
I see the pumpkin, but I don't see an entrance to the castle.
Yeah.
I just see an abandoned pumpkin and Cinderella literally trapped. Who lives down there?
That's where the stepmother and the stepsisters live.
Are you just making this stuff up?
No, that's the blue chateau that they live in, and now Cinderella lives up there in the castle with her prince.
Look at that. How do you like that? That's kind of like Cinderella just waving down to the evil stepsisters being like, oh, you want to get up here? There's no access. You guys live down there and think about what you did. And over to your right, again, the set of Beauty and the Beast. Oh, there's LeFou. Hey, bud. Love your work. Hi, guys. Bye, guys. This is Rapunzel.
Yes.
See, she's got a lot more escape routes than Cinderella. I feel like it's actually Cinderella who really needs like a hair ladder. This is called a bridge. Now this is Mr. Toad. You may know him as going to hell. This area I'm not familiar with. It appears to be Himalayan in nature. Hey, please do not eat my friends. Guys, listen to me. They've been through enough trauma. They lost their parents on that boat. Everyone say bye, Arendelle. Bye. All right. Very exciting. Here comes another, what do we call this, guys?
Bridge.
Bridge, you have been listening. Very good. Anyway, thank you so much for coming on this storybook journey with me. If you guys had fun, I'm Josh, and if you haven't, this is Justin. What a tiny joy it was getting to go on such a big adventure and see all of that empty available fairy tale real estate with nobody living in it. I truly have had the time of the last hour. So until next time, may all your dreams come true. And a very special thank you to Brian, or Justin, however he pronounces it. Today truly has been something. Oh. Guess I'm gonna go make sure the villainous whale doesn't get a cavity.
Josh, is that you?
Oh, hey! Talk about small world, huh? Talk about a bad joke, huh? I was just exploring the neighborhood, checking out the interior of this place. It's gorgeous. Hardwood floors, lots of light, a lot of curses, which definitely is going to bring the retail value down. I think I'm ready to go just because there's very homicidal ducks everywhere who just seem intent on eating me. And because there's nothing else here. There's literally just trees, and ducks don't eat trees. So I'd like to go home now.